In this lecture, I'll show you how to install Python 3 on Windows 10. Typically, that involves downloading the Windows installer and running it on your machine. If you are using another version of Windows, the installation instructions are very similar. Now, if you are using another OS like Linux or Mac, you can skip this lecture. The first step to install Python is to visit the official Python website and download the latest version of Python. So I'm going to python.org and I'm clicking Downloads. And I'm downloading the latest version of Python. By the way, don't worry if you find another version here. The most important thing is the major version, which is version 3. This will be around for years to come, and also the contents of this course will be updated constantly. After downloading the installer, click the file to run it. And a new window is popping up. In order to avoid any problems, select the option Add Python 3.10 to Path and click Install Now. After a few seconds, depending on how fast your machine is, Python will be installed. It's installing Python. It's done. At the end of the installation, you'll see the message Setup was successful. Let's see if the installation was successful. Go to Start menu and open the Windows terminal by typing cmd.exe or PowerShell. Then type Python and hit enter. If you get this message, the installation was successful. Now let's start Python idle. This is what I'll use for the examples in the first part of the course. It comes bundled with the default Python installation, so you don't have to do anything else. Just write idle in the Windows Start menu and hit enter. This is Python idle, where you can write your Python code. That's all. Thank you.